Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tania. If you are new here, then please do subscribe and be a part of this family. I really wanted a very beautiful glowing look for this day because yes, this is my day and I wanted to shine really bright. I wanted a very natural yet very glowing and glamorous look, and I think this is perfect as I expected. This is a very easy and quick makeup tutorial without any foundation, of course. I have not used any foundation to create this look, and when you are running out of time, doing a smoky eye is the best idea, I guess, because it just makes you look very gorgeous, but it is really easy to do. This look is so universal, you can do it with any type of outfit. As we are already in the festive season, I think you can definitely wear this look with any outfit of your choice during the festive days. So if you also like this look, then definitely comment below and let me know, and give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. So I have cleaned my face, and for moisturizing I am using the MAC Strobe Cream. This will not only moisturize my face, this will give me a beautiful healthy glow. Now for primer, I am using the Illuminating Makeup Base from Swiss Beauty. This primer will make my makeup long lasting, and this has also added some glow to my skin. If you are looking for an illuminating primer on a budget, definitely try this. This is a very good primer. Now to conceal all my dark circles and hyperpigmentation around my mouth, I am using a concealer from PAC. This is PAC Take Cover Concealer. Because I will be using a CC cream today instead of a foundation, so I am concealing and hiding all the imperfections of my skin with the help of a concealer. Now to blend the CC cream, I am using the same Damn Beauty blender because I have already applied a concealer underneath. So if I will use a brush or my fingers to blend the CC cream, the concealer will also move from its place. So if you have not applied any concealer underneath your CC cream, you can definitely use your finger to blend the CC cream. After blending the CC cream properly with the Damn Beauty blender, now I will be setting it so that it does not crease, and for that I am using the MAC Studio Fix powder. You can use any compact of your choice. I am using the same Damp Beauty blender to set my base with the powder because this will make my makeup long lasting, and this will not allow me to apply too much powder, and that is why my makeup will not become cakey. Now I am using a brush to blend all the powders and make everything seamless. Now I am applying some setting spray so that all the powder that I have applied melts into my skin and everything remains intact throughout the time. Now to contour my face, I am using the Sugar Contour Powder. You can use any contour powder or bronzer of your choice. If you have very less time in your hand, try to follow this tutorial because this is going to take only 10 to 15 minutes if you are applying your makeup in this. This tutorial is really a very easy and quick makeup tutorial. Now I have again taken the MAC Studio Fix powder and applying it on the areas which we usually highlight. Because I have not highlighted with a concealer today, I am highlighting my face with the MAC Studio Fix powder. You can use any compact of your choice instead of this. Now for blush, I am using the iMagic blush palette, and I am using a beautiful rust color from the palette. And for the perfect amount of glow, I am using the Makeup Revolution 4K palette. This palette has some beautiful highlighters. They just glide into your skin without appearing too much shining. This gives a very beautiful glow. Your skin looks very healthy and glowing from within. Now I am dabbing the Damp Beauty blender over it so that everything becomes very natural. And again I will apply some setting spray to melt everything into my skin. For my brows I am using the Sugar Brow Pencil. I am doing the same thing just like I do in any other video, so I am not showing it in details. Then I am using a clear gel to put my brow hair in place throughout the time. Now for my eye makeup, I am using a concealer first on my eyelid as my eyeshadow base, and then I am setting it with some loose powder. Today I will be doing a brown smoky eye, and for that at first I am applying some gel kajal on my upper lash line, and then from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette I have taken a dark brown shade and I am smudging the kajal with the help of the dark brown shade. Don't take it too upwards, just keep it up to your crease line. After blending the brown shade, I am just taking a bigger blending brush and I am smoking out the edges with the same dark brown shade. As you can see, I have not crossed my crease line. I am blending everything within my crease line. And now I have taken a lighter brown shade and I am blending the edges further. This is going to be my transition shade. And with the same light brown shade, I am smoking out my lower lash line also. You can see this has given me a beautiful ombre effect. Now to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I am using a beautiful shimmery shade from the Huda Beauty palette. For my lower lash line, I am using a nude eye pencil from Wet n Wild. And now with a small definer brush, I am applying the dark brown shade at first on my lower lash line. And then I am applying the black eyeshadow very close to my lower lash line. I will not spread it at all. So now I will curl my lashes and apply mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I have applied falsies off camera, you can see. And for my lips, I have lined my lips with a brown lip liner, and then I am applying a brown lipstick from Eye Amsterdam. And to get a metallic effect, I am applying a bronze eyeshadow, bronze shimmery eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty palette all over my lips. You can see this has given me a beautiful bronze lip color, and that is very long lasting also. So here is the completed look. I hope you all liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow with a brand new look from the Festive Look series. Till then, take care.